Yo, what's going on again? It's your boy Wizy and I'm back again with another video. So someone in my Telegram group asked me why did I sell gold and how did I know it's gonna be a sale and why did I send a signal in a VIP group. So it's a very simple, guys, and in this video I'm about to break down this trade here, this one here, this particular trade. I'm gonna break it down, the reason why I actually sold it, right? So as you all know, we have a VIP group. I actually send this signal in the VIP group. As you can see, this is the last trade, right? And the first trade was in the morning because I do trade a pre-London session and a New York session. So in the morning, we actually took this trade, and then we actually hit TP, and we actually hit TP with 860 pips, right? And in the New York session, this trade here, this is the trade that I actually sent. As you can see, it was a sell as well, and the market went all the way down and hit TP, and in this trade we actually booked plus 200 1200 pips. So in total today alone we took two trades and we actually booked 2000 2060 pips today alone, right? So now let me just go back here and explain to you guys the reason why I actually sell this trade. Now remember, if you actually watched my weekly breakdown last on Sunday, I said gold it's a bearish, right? If you actually look at daily time frame, this is a daily time frame, and we can all see that gold is bearish, right? It's literally bearish. And then I'll say, like, okay, if gold is bearish, what we always do as a retail traders, you don't trade against the trend. If the trend is going down, just actually find a way to also hop in a trend. Don't trade against the trend no matter what, right? That's exactly what I did. And I actually switch on a 4 hour time frame. As you can see, 4 hour, this is a 4 hour time frame, this is a 4 hour time frame right here. And as you can see, on the 4 hour time frame, the gold was just going down, right? And then on 1 hour, and then you can see gold was actually going down by forming low 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 high, low 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 high, low low, and what I did was actually waiting for another lower high so that I can buy it. And as you can see here, on a 1 hour, gold went up and it formed a new lower high and it started going down. So by the time gold started going down, and that's when I switch on a smaller time frame, like 1 hour, 1 minute, to actually get an entry, because on a 1 hour the stop loss would have been too big, right? The stop loss would have been too big and the entry was gonna be hard to get. And that's why I actually switch on a 1 minute time frame. So now here's a 1 minute time frame, and this is how the actual trade. And yeah, as you can see, and on 1 minute what I did, I actually waited. I actually, on 1 minute, what I did was actually look for also another entry. And what do I mean by that? As you can see, let me just replace so that I can show you guys, I can explain it so that you can see better. So we actually took a trade. It was here, you know this is where we took a trade, right? You can see, here's where we took a trade, right? Here's where we took a trade. So let me just do it so that yeah, this is the actual trade, as you can see. So on a 1 hour, remember, on 1 hour the market was here, was going up to the test, right, to form a new high, lower high, right? And then what I did was I was actually waiting for the market to give me an opportunity to buy, to sell, right? So once the market went down and went up to form a new high, lower high on a 1 minute time frame, and that's when I was like, yo, this is the time. I'm gonna wait for the market to go down, and that's when I'm gonna sell. And then the market start going down, and that's when I actually open a sell and I pull my stop loss just above the previous low high. You understand? That was the safest place to put stop loss. And the reason why I did that is because gold is a very volatile, and on a 1 minute time frame is the only place you can get stop loss with the tight with that's where you can get the entry with the tight stop loss. So now let's just play and see what happened. Yeah, you can see. Okay, so as you can see here, gold didn't just go straight down. It actually started moving by going high, 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 low. And that's exactly what gave me that confidence, because remember, right? Let me just tell you something. As a forex trader in general, your friend is trend. What you want to do, you always want to see the market trending down by forming high, high, low, 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 high, low, 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 high, low, 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 high, right? So whenever you see stuff like that, if you're actually in a selling position, it makes you feel happy. So by the time I start seeing the market is forming low, 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 high, low, 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 high, and I was like, oh yeah, that's cool, because the market is still just gonna continue going like that, and it hits my take profit. So when I saw that, I had that confidence. I'm like, let me just keep holding it, and now let's just see what happened, guys. You will be shocked. You will be shocked. Okay, as you can see, the market went crazy down, and here's where's the tricky part, guys. Here's the tricky part. You can see that. Boom. Now the market dropped, right? And guess what, guys? This drop here is a lot of pips. Now you can see I actually make my chart to look small, right? But if you calculate these pips here, you're gonna be shocked. So as you can see, that's a 600 pips. So the market first moved the 600 pips and then went all the way up to break even, and I was just a holding. That's the power of holding, guys. Just keep holding and trust the process. As you did see the trade that we took in the morning, it's always also the same trade. So the market is always like that. It's gonna test your patience. It's gonna test it's gonna test your patience. Which type of trader are you? Are you cry baby? Are you scared? So and that's another lesson. So as you can see, the market is just after that, the market just went straight down and it hit our take profits. Hit the take profits, and give us how many pips? Give us 10,000. Actually, it was 11,000. It was 1,200 pips. 1,200 pips of profits that we made today. And I guess what was our stop loss? Because in my VIP group and all my trades are always 1:3, right? So once if we are risking 100, we actually aiming for 300. So as you can see, it's a 1:3. You can all see that, and we've been killing it back to back, guys. So if you want to be part of the gang, if you want to be part of the VIP group, guys, it's the simple as it can be. Just join the free Telegram group. The link will be down below in the description. And when you join the free Telegram group, you're gonna see a pinned message written join VIP, and then just click that link, and then you're gonna see all the process to join. Is very, very simple, guys. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Just let me know, and let me know like how was your trading day. How was your New York session, because this trader actually took it during New York session. So how was your goal today, and what is your thought right now about what's going to happen next? Because we can all see that gold is still dropping, right? Let me just leave this, and then let's just see what is happening right now. um as you can see right now, guys, gold is still dropping. It's still dropping, but it looks like it's actually dropping with the wicks. So we might actually start expecting the gold to start going up. You understand? Because there was a level here, and it has already reached this level. Yeah, it might just start going up, but we're already done for the day. As you always, you know me, if I take a trade and I win, that's the end of the day. So I'm not going to take any trade, and I'm going to come again tomorrow during pre-London session, and I'm going to give you updates, guys, right? What we're gonna do. But for now, it looks like a gold is now going up, as I or what I can see. But overall, it's still bearish, you know. So yeah, that's the end of this video, guys. Let me know what is your thought, or what are you expecting gold to go? What do you think, right? So yeah, let me know down below in the comments.